I'm Lana.
And I'm Zoe.
And welcome back to We Cook Stuff. Today we'll be making a very popular drink, whipped coffee. So let's get our ingredients. The first thing we'll need is 1 pack of instant coffee. So we're just gonna pour that in. The next thing we're gonna need is 2 tablespoons of water, along with a little less than 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you'd like. All right, now I'll do the sugar. Okay, the next thing you need to do is pour some milk into a glass. We have ice in ours, but don't fill the glass all the way. Just get it to about here.
We still have a little bit left over, but that's okay.
So we used a little bit less than a cup of milk. The next thing you're going to do is take a frother, and you are just going to stir this until it's thick. It actually takes about 10 minutes to get it to the correct consistency. So you just have it like this, and you keep going like this, around and around. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and now our coffee is very, very thick and foamy. So now Lana's just gonna spoon it on top of the milk. So when this is done, you can always mix it into the coffee. Yeah, top it with some sugar.
Like we are. We're gonna top it with a few sprinkles of sugar.
Just to make it a little sweeter. Okay, that's good, Lana. That's a lot of sugar. All right, and there you have it, the super popular whipped coffee.